How to use coupons on Shein app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can use coupons on Shein app. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. So in order to use the coupons on Shein app, first of all, you need to download the Shein application on the device. After downloading, simply log in into your account using your login credentials that you use in order to create your Shein account. After that, when you open the app, you just need to select one of the products that you want to purchase. You may just go through the home page, and there you'll be finding a bunch of products which you may want to purchase. You may just select one of the products. After selecting one of the products, you can easily add that product to cart. You may just choose the color of the product and different sizes and all of that. After selecting, just tap on add to cart and you'll be taken to the next page where you can find your cart. Or you may just simply head over to the cart option at the top right. After that, you will be able to take into the next page where you can find all of your products that you've added to cart. And here you just need to simply check out. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you may add your payment methods, including different kind of information that you need to fill up. After that, what you're going to do is simply select up your payment method. And when you scroll down a bit, you can easily find this apply coupon option where you can apply all of the coupon that you have or that is available with you. So in order to get different kind of offers using that coupon, you may just tap on this apply coupon option when you open the Shein app and go out with the checking out process. Just tap on apply coupon. After that, you may just apply the coupon that is available to you and tap on continue and go on with the process of applying the coupons and check out after that. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to use coupons on Shein app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.